Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. If you live somewhere where it gets cold, you know that when you gotta get outside for those walks, you need something really warm for your baby. This UPPAbaby Cozyganoosh is perfect for winter walks. We got the color Jordan, which is a charcoal melange, and it is so nice. I love the material. One of the best things about this is that it can grow with your baby. So it has this extendable part that unzips at the bottom as your baby gets older, or I guess your child gets older, so that they can fit in here and you don't have to worry that they're gonna get cold when you're out for your winter walks. Another cool thing it has is that it has a grippy back, so it's not gonna slide around in the stroller when the baby's in there. It's super easy to put on. You just have to put the straps and the buckle through the holes that are in it, and everything velcros on so that it will stay. And there's also straps around the side so it's not going to slip side to side, and it's really easy even if you have a mini helper. I love the quality of this UPPAbaby Cozyganoosh, and it is perfect if you have cold winters where you are and like to go on walks. And that's my point of view.